Hello guys, welcome back to Calling Response, and today we'll talk about the qualification of this cluster V3 quality judge. That's a little bit difficult, and I've got many responses and many requests to get them qualified, and so I'm going to show you this in real time that's in front of you. Okay, so just let's start with Article 1. Okay, so that tells Jeremy Renner in ICU after suffering blunt chest trauma during the snow plowing accident. So that's about the Hollywood star Jeremy Renner. And second, uh, that is about Ryan sister gives emotional bits. Star says he's too massive to talk. Okay, so they are the related event. Next, fourth article. That's CPI report says fall in gas prices helps inflation slow again in December. Next one, Baltimore police do that, find it and send it instant. Oh, they are two different things, so they're not related. Others, okay. Second, next that's about the Willow is back, and he brought an incredibly fun show with him. The return of Willow, and the answer to the film's biggest question. Okay, so they are the related events. Two, first and second. First is Arsenal accuses with Messi, Brazilian Uruguay also win. And the next story is about Lionel Messi breaks Brazil rights and tells South American men's called record. Okay, so they are the same event. Next question, that is first article. Sergio Busquets retires from Spain national team. And second article is about uh, that's Spain's World Cup and Euros winner Busquets dance from international football. So that's the same events, okay? Same. Next, Beijing moves to defuse protest with the current state policy, announces plan to boost elderly COVID-19 vaccination, and uh, protest show limits Beijing's flexible policies. So they are related events. Germany seeking to break Russia dependence opens first LNG terminal. And second article is about first liquid natural gas terminal opens in Germany. So they're the same events. Okay. Given dials Xi Jinping as US-China ties nosedive over trade, coronavirus, and cybersecurity. Second is you're looking for going to be found, and there is no page. So others. First article. The Prince Harry criticized by former Royal Marine he praised in memoir. And the second article tells about capturing. Yeah, it's a different thing, I think. Yeah. Okay, so there are others. Mike Bianchi. Mike Bianchi and Damar Hamlin tragic elicits a flashback to Jet with Dale Stingley.